Hi guys, I'm back. Just got finished filming my 2017 favorites. I was talking about the stuff that I used today. I did not mention that I used my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I think this was the first time I used it. So far, I'm liking it. I thought it was too cool tone for me, but I do like it. All right, so I'm gonna open some packages. I have 2 unboxings to do, and I'm gonna do that at the end of the video. One is my Allure beauty box. The other is my Sephora. I'll let you know before I start that so you can stop watching in case you're waiting for your boxes and want to be surprised still. All right, so I've got a couple packages from HSN. When I was at the luncheon today, doing the retirement for my friend Brenda, I ran into, I saw my friend Ron, who retired last month, and he's like, oh, I've been watching your little YouTube videos. He's so sweet. I love him. I love him for that. Yeah. So Ron, if you're watching, hi. Hi, Ronnie Joe. I miss you. I miss you so much. Make sure Gail watches all my videos so she can buy a bunch of stuff. Okay, so what I have here is the new Professional. It's the Pearl Primer. We're gonna open it up and do a little swatchy with it. Because I, today, am impatient. And I don't want to wait for anything. And that's okay. I don't have to. Alright. So this is what the package looks like. It's really cute. It's got little pink polka dots on it. I don't know if you can see them. So we're going to put a little bit of this on my hand. Of course, it's got one of these little these little seal things. Like, seriously? What are people going to do? Okay, I don't think you can see that. Can you see? You see where it's a little pearlesque? It's not boom like when you put on the Glam Glow stuff. I don't know if you guys have this stuff. The stuff smells like orange sickle. This here, you look like a glow ball. It's not like that. It's a little bit easier. It's a little bit lighter, you know, not right there, but yeah. And then I ordered a Melted Latex and Strange Love. I have an obsession. It's really with palettes and lipstick. Lip gloss. What's funny is I don't really wear any of it. I'm gonna put this on. Let's see if we like it. Ah. Feels pretty dark. What do you think? Not a perfect application, but you get the idea. You get the idea. Like I said, this is in a Strange Love. Look, I can't see anything. I shouldn't do things without mirrors. It implies I'm coordinated, which I am not. Okay, so I got those 2 things. Ta-da! Sorry, Okie. The dogs are looking at me like, why are you throwing stuff at me, woman? I don't know what else I got in here. I don't know about the slip stuff. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. I do like the way those feel, those latex finish. I like it because it doesn't really feel like anything. It doesn't feel like you have anything on. Alright, another box from HSN, which I'm sure is makeup. Alright. So I bought this brow product, this Wonder Brow. Because, and it's in black brown. Because I hear it's good, right? It comes with a cheap little spoolie. And then the package is sealed up in this. So I'm actually gonna put this in my stash because I need to use up a couple of brow products. So that'll go in my stash. Actually, all of this will go in my stash. But I'm sorry, buddy. My dogs are getting mad because I'm throwing the stuff on top of the crates. They're waiting for me to take them out. They're like, come on, Mom. Take me out. Looking at the camera, looking outside. Alright, this next thing I'm pretty sure is just a package from Ann Taylor. Which is where I get my pants for work from when they go on clearance. They kind of irritate me too sometimes because I really ordered 4 pair of pants, and then like after you put your order in and you pay and they try and I guess go stock it, you end up getting emails for like half of your stuff that, oh, it's out of stock. You don't get that. But I did get these. I like them because they have little paisleys and flowers on them. So, yeah. A little sweater, that'll be cute. I'm stocking up clothes too right here. So I don't know if I told you guys that I do the ketogenic diet. I've already lost like 33 pounds on it. So my clothes, I have to keep getting rid of clothes. Like, it's crazy. Alright, so I'm getting ready to do the unboxing. I'm gonna start with my play box from Sephora. So this is the January play box. If you haven't opened yours, then you want to shut off the video. You want to discontinue watching. I never look at the card. Oh, that's cute. Little eggs. It says Happy New Year 2018. I hope it's happy, Sephora. If you send me what I want, it'll be happy. Alright, so the first thing in here is the Caviar shampoo and conditioner. One day I'm going to have to do a video of just my samples. My skincare and hair care samples. Oh my god. I have so many. But I use them. I take them when I'm traveling for work. It's just really easy. And this is, oh, this is great. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerize. Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. My camera keeps overheating, so I'm gonna speed up a little bit. This is the Lancome, I don't know what the hell it is. Ha! It's like a base mascara. Sorry. Base mascara. Yeah, I don't need that either. It's like mascaras. Mascara, mascara, mascara. So this is the Fresh Rose Toner. I don't think I have one of those. And this is the Prep Start, the Clinique Prep Start for the eyes. So yeah, that's my Sephora box for the month. Hey! The dogs are loose. You see them running? So that means I'm going to start yelling. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So now I'm going into my Allure box. Get over here, right now. Come here, all of you. Stinking dogs. 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 Can't get any fast enough. So I'm on the fence. I may cancel my Allure box. We'll see what's in this one. Alright, what they got for we have a Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte in the shade 105, which doesn't mean a thing to me. I have to look at it. Oh, now that's pretty. It's a nude. It's like almost the same color as my skin. I like it, I like it. Okay, what else we got? We have the one and then some. What the hell are you? I don't know. I can't see. I'll have to look at the card, but I don't want to look at the card yet. Alright, then we have In Transit Camera Close-Up. Mask, moisturizer, primer, all in one. Yeah, I'll buy that one. I see that. Ooh, this is good. Allure, you've got me for another couple months. Wow. I need to look at the value on this. It's a Sunday Riley CEO. It's Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It looks like a full bottle. Let me check it out real quick. So that one stuff is a dry texturizing spray. Hey, I'm supposed to have something. I do have something else in here. So quick. So it's a Smoky Eye Pen by Rodial. This looks like a full size too. Price $21. Yeah, so the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Serum, that is a full bottle and its value is $85. Yeah, they got me. Allure's got me for another month or so. That was worth all of it right there. Butsy, we're not growling at people today. Hey! See? That just means it's time for me to get off. Butsy. Butsy's a little touchy because it's cold outside and it's snowing. He wants to be outside. He doesn't listen. Hey. We're not having a barking war. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I just got lucky and got a half a day off. Was able to do some filming. And probably won't film again until Saturday. So be on the lookout and keep the comments coming, keep the likes coming, subscribing. Thank you so much. I just never thought. I can't thank you enough. So have a great day. Everybody keeps sending me messages about the palettes. The palettes are all gone. But be on the lookout. I'm gonna do it again, probably like middle of February. Just on some palettes I've been trying out. It won't be as many, but there'll be some stuff. And then I am going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. So the only requirement will be is that you've subscribed to my channel and you like the video where I talk about the giveaway. Where I give the full rundown of the giveaway. So, bye for now. Butsy wants to say bye too. Butsy. Hey, Butts. Come here. Are you a good boy? You want to say bye? Can you say bye? Can you say bye to the subscribers? Hey! Stop! Well, they can lick you to death. Alright, guys. Bye.